This video is made possible by Skillshare.
Skillshare!
Hey guys, I'm Lorenzo and this is Cinebattle, the show where Jordi fights against Yannick in epic filmmaking challenge. And as you can see, both are blindfolded right now, and that's because we're gonna drive somewhere, and then when we arrive, I'll tell you what the challenge is, guys. You ready?
Yay!
I guess so.
Yay!
I feel quite stupid.
Buckle up, boys.
Okay. So we're going left right now. We're probably going to the Salamander, which is the nature park that we always go to shoot.
Are we recording?
See, we're going to the left right now. He's just making an entire turn.
U-turn.
Now we're going back to the roundabout.
Is it?
Yes, I know what he's doing. He's just driving around, so we're going back to the studio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's traffic.
Are people watching? I'm on a highway to hell.
99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of
I
beer.
have no idea where we're going. I can see people.
How can you see people?
No, I mean, I can feel people standing outside the car right now looking at us. Just looking at us.
Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah, my
to
eye
reveal
is itching.
Yeah, we are at the Salamander.
Yeah.
I can smell the Salamander.
If you say so, sure. You can take off your blindfold and figure out where we are.
At the Salamander!
At the Salamander.
And there's no people!
For today's challenge, you guys have to create a solo travel video, but there will be huge twists at the end that we're not gonna tell you guys yet. The tripod was meant for Yannick since he was also standing last, so it's its advantage to try to get
Maybe
back to
give him
you.
Everything. Maybe give him like all the gear. Maybe give him 10 points because he's standing last.
But is this an advantage?
Yeah, I can have it. There you go.
I'm already starting. It. Oh, you have a steady cam. Let me do it. High kick, do it!
No idea about the catch by the end of the day. I think that we are not allowed to edit our videos, something like that. So I'm actually really surprised that Yannick didn't take the tripod because there's so much that you can do with a tripod.
To really make a travel video, you have to be with like 2 guys, maybe 3. But if you want like the cool shots with your hand waving through the grass.
Well, hello there. How are you doing? What? You want to know something more about Skillshare? Well, let me tell you all about it. Skillshare is an online library where you can find multiple courses and workshops about everything you want. Whether it's about filmmaking, photography, audio, animation, or even graphic design, you can find anything you want. I'm the kind of guy who likes character animations. And recently I discovered the courses by Fraser Davidson, and he helped me out a lot. The one I'm watching at the moment is how to create a walk cycle with Doik. It's really simple actually. Also, a good thing about Skillshare is that they have long courses and shorter courses, which makes it easier for me because I don't have a lot of time between editing all of those Cinebattles, you know? And if you still don't have Skillshare, then check out the first link in the description below to get an exclusive 2 months for free. Now how about you and me go watch some Skillshare classes together? Ha, that's right. Bye guys!
So guys, we're back in the studio. As you guys remember, I said before the shoot, there was a twist. So the twist is you guys have to edit each other's footage.
I thought so.
I have beautiful shots. Gah! Ah!
Okay then, let's do this. Here's my cards. Yannick, don't f it up.
I don't want to make this video. I want to make my video. I think this challenge is gonna break some friendships.
What is this? You pouring water? What do I have to do with this, Yannick? Everything is shot in sequence.
Yeah, I like it.
And we're back in the studio. So guys, how did it go?
The shooting itself good, but the editing not.
Exactly.
It's really hard because you have something in your mind while you're filming. And then suddenly you get different shots from somebody else who also has something in their mind, and you don't know what that person has in their mind.
Jordi wanted to tell a story, and I didn't want to tell a story. I just wanted to do some epic B-roll shots. So my mindset was completely different, and we had to switch, and it was hard.
You liked it though?
No.
Okay, well then we'll check your guys' results.
Yeah.
We'll start with you, Jordi.
Don't mind the shots, guys. Just look at the edit.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the lonely, sleepless night.
And then it had more shots.
So Yannick, what do you think Jordi did with your footage? You liked it?
It was somewhat what I had in mind, but I think I had more shots than that.
Yeah, but they were just not usable. A lot of your shots were very unstable. Like a lot of the shots just didn't make sense to me. Like where do I put this?
Okay.
That's
But
the video.
you make me a little proud.
Yeah, did I?
That's cute.
Thank you,
Well,
Yannick.
now it's your turn, Yannick.
Yeah. Keep in mind, I made the Jordi movie because he told me I really had a story and I wanted to do a voiceover, so I really made a Jordi video.
I had a story in mind.
Well, we'll see if he translated your story correctly. Let's see.
Life flies by. Everything needs to be fast. You can't stand still. Even when traveling, we move so fast that we lose the details. And I must admit, sometimes I don't even realize I'm lost. But when you do notice the details, they can be so beautiful. So take your time and realize the details make the story.
Okay, yeah, that was kind of my thing that I was going for. Yeah, you could have chosen more time remapping. I was missing that a lot.
I was thinking about doing more time remapping, but I also had to come up with a voiceover story.
Oh yeah, that's
so
true.
I was thinking,
I made it you hard.
yeah, because
And sound design. Where's the sound design?
Well, yeah, now it's up to the viewers. Do remember, the end result is what you guys will be voting for. Do you like Yannick's edit or do you like Jordi's edit more? You can vote in the top right corner right there who won. Thank you Skillshare for the support. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay creative!
Hey guys, what's up? If you created a cool video and you want Yannick and Jordi to recreate that video in one of the next Cinebattles, then send your video to Cinebattle at Cinecom.net via WeTransfer, Google Drive, whatever, and maybe they'll recreate your video in one of the next Cinebattles. Bye!